Good afternoon, everybody. Matrix here, and here's my daily recap on March 13th. Today, I woke up late, and I didn't wake up till around 11:10. This area, around 11:15 area, and I turn on the charts. To my surprise, Roku is dumping. So I quickly checked the news real quick here, Roku, and I'm seeing downgrades, downgrades, downgrades. Um, and I was checking the price targets of these downgrades. Okay, so for that, we have massive catalysts coming in. Roku overall, when I saw this, it gapped down huge, and it made a bottom here at the 67 when I took a look at it. Key area 67, and I woke up right around this area when I turned on the charts. Okay, so I identified 67 real quick. I saw that I have missed a move, and I was thinking about a thesis. I was thinking by the time I was looking at it, it was making a higher low from here and a higher low from here. So it had a little mini uptrend, and I was thinking, okay, could this be an ABCD? Because every night on my watch list, I've had Roku on my chart, and I was saying that it's a bullish chart. Now with the given catalyst, I and the price action, I wasn't really ready to start buying it yet, and I wanted it to really prove that it's weak, right? Or it was strong. So I thought about this ABCD pattern. And then eventually, as I was sitting and waiting, I saw this snap here, this major bar. First of all, I want to talk about this bar right here at 10:58. You see all the massive volume coming in. Zoom in a little bit. See the massive volume? This is this very significant bar, right? This bar was buyers coming in right at this area, holding it up. Seller's exhaustion. So I had a bullish thesis on it in the beginning, but I didn't take the trade. I wanted it to prove, and because I woke up so late and I missed the entire morning, so I was just sitting there and waiting. I wasn't even planning on trading today. So when this happened, when I saw this snap through, the 67 snap through with higher than relative volume compared to the previous bars, this was the kill candle for me. All right, it's a candle that snapped through a key support area, and then it retested and failed, and then I was still watching, and eventually I took the short. I took the short right here at 11:32:30. Okay, so let's put that here, 11:32:30. So I took the short right at this candle. Okay. And it was a very speculative short because of the catalyst and everything. And I was risking a little bit above the previous snap here. Okay. It was very speculative in the sense that it was so late in the afternoon already. But I still took it as a speculative trade. I'm like, okay, I'll take one trade, right? Because of the catalyst, because of the volume, because of the price action, because of the kill candle. That's why I took it. So once I took the trade, I paid myself very, very quickly at the 50-cent mark. Okay, knowing that this is a speculative trade. So here at 11:33, I paid myself on the wash candle. 11:34, as it was bouncing again, I still wasn't convinced this was a nice short, so I paid myself again at the 50-cent mark again. All right, and by this time I had 50 shares left. Now 50 shares, I set a hard stop here at 67.13ish. Okay, so I set a stop at around this area, and I just let it be. And I was looking on the daily chart right here. Let's pull in the daily chart real quick. I was looking for my target after that. and I was looking at this massive green candle, the highs at 65. So basically 65 was my main target, and I was thinking, okay, I still personally like Roku as a stock. This is my personal bias coming in, and I basically set a range order instead to hit the target of 65, and I was guessing that the stock will bounce from there. So here's at 65. So I set the range order, and that was going to be the trade for me. That was it. That's all I was looking for. And basically, it kept dumping. And here it is, the 65 mark. I closed it off. I paid myself a little bit more at the 66 key psychological whole number as well. Where was this payout? 1148. So right around here, I paid myself. And then finally, I paid myself here at 1156 when my range order hit. So right here on this candle. Oh, on this candle when it quickly dumped. So that was it. That was the trade. Ideally, this was a 5-to-1 trade. Okay, so my risk was, which candle did I take it? My risk was, I took it on this candle. So around here, and my reward is to here. Okay, so that's a 5-to-1, and basically that's it. Okay, so just a quick review. Why I would short this weakness. Usually I don't short weakness. It had the catalyst. It had the higher than relative volume. Okay. And also it had this kill candle that confirmed my thesis. Okay. Overall, I guess because of my lack of trading experience, I paid myself a little bit too early, and this consolidation zone was actually pretty nerve-wracking, to be honest. That it kind of went sideways a little bit for like 15 minutes, and it could have came back and reclaimed 67. Had it reclaimed 67, came back and start holding 67 again, I was gonna forfeit the trade and just take it off, right? I made sure I paid myself enough that if it does stop me out, it becomes a scratch trade, so I had nothing to lose on it. And that's it. That's basically my trade. So as you can see now, Roku is going back into consolidation again. Oh, did I just lose that? I did. Hold on. Let's move my executions out. As you can see, Roku is coming back into consolidations and it's still failing. So the next area on Roku, I guess it's gonna try to test this 63, come all the way down. It doesn't really matter to me that I missed another dollar to the downside, to be quite honest. This could be potential double bottom unless it, well, here's that kill candle. Unless it snaps through and stays under the 64, then I wouldn't want to be wanting to short this anymore. But overall, a very good trade in my opinion, a 5-to-1. I traded according to my plan and my thesis, and basically that's it. I also want to mention that Needham, the analyst, they really like Roku. So as this stock comes down today, and perhaps maybe one more day tomorrow around the 60 area, I am going to expect them stepping in to buy and for the stock to bounce back up a little bit. Okay, so that's it for my recap. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. This is what my mentor Trick has taught me, right? For being in the room for so long, he has really changed my trading around, and basically without him, I would never have been able to take a trade like this. So make sure you check out Trick Trades and check out my video link description below if you want to learn how to trade consistently and take these kills, right? It's a 5-to-1. 5-to-1 is actually pretty normal for me nowadays, and for a lot of our members and moderators as well. So if you want to hit the 5-to-1s on a daily basis, come to Trick Trades and check it out. And the video link description has the discount code. Use coupon Trick20 for 20% off your first month. And have a great day. I'll see you guys out tomorrow. Oh, one more note. I'm not planning to trade tomorrow. Usually Wednesdays I take off and go visit a friend, and then on Thursdays I don't trade. So I won't be coming out with a watch list tomorrow. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys all bright and early on Friday. Ciao.